दोस्तों, कोई भी काम छोटा या बड़ा नहीं होता। अगर हम काम को मन लगा के करें तो खुशी और पैसा दोनों भी मिलेगा। Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to know how to start your startup or your business. Nowadays, everything is going online. You can also shift your business from offline to online, or you can build your own business or startup. So, to know all these things, let's get into the video. You need to have all these things before starting your startup or business. First, you need to have clear idea of what you are going to do. Are you going to build an e-commerce site, or are you going to provide service to your customers, or are you going to do some other kind of stuff? I don't know what you're going to do. Just make a list of them, what you're going to do. For suppose your business is e-commerce, you want to sell grocery items there. Just note down what are the products you can provide. Yes, there are a lot of things you can provide to customer. Just note down them, and from where you will get all those products, from market or from the retailer, seller, whatever it may be. Just note down all those things. Or for example, if you already have offline store, or you want to make it online, or you want to expand your business all over India, yes, first you need to mark those things where you want to do your business. And if you are going to do online, select metropolitan places, because in these areas only you can get a good number of customers. So that's, you need to note down the first. And the second thing, you need an application, communication, how you can communicate with your customers. This is you and these are your customers. How you two going to connectivity. You can use social media platforms, or you can build your website and app. In the beginning, you can use your social media like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, these social media platforms to sell online. Later on, you can build your website. After seeing how many customers you are getting, you can build your website. Then after that, building your website, you can build an Android app and iOS app. Whatever stuff you can do after getting money in your pocket, you can do anything, right? These are the stuff. बाद में, after second step, building connectivity between customer and you. Third step is that now what you are going to do is just what are the documents you need. You need to register your company. After getting fame on all those things, you need to do all these things, right? To recognize you, public need to be some domain. Okay, for that you need to take registration of your company. Yes, you need to register a company. Like there are like different kinds of registrations available for your company, like partnership, like solo, single, like a one person company, like a private limited company. All those stuff are there. I'll give you the link in the description below. From there you can see what are the registrations you can do for your company. Then take GST. At the initial stage, you don't need any GST. You don't need any GST. Food license you don't take at the initial stage. Don't spend too much of money in the initial stage. Okay, if your business is food related, then you can take food license after getting some money from that business. at the initial stage you don't need to take. Okay, this is a third step where you need to take GST, food license, and trademark. Remember, trademark is a basic thing, but you need to take, because no one can copy your name, like your brand name. You need to take trademark. Okay, at the initial stage you don't take. Okay, after seeing your business increasing, then only you can take these all things. Okay, after these things, registration of your company, GST, and all those things, take all those things, bank account on your name of your company. Okay, these things you need to consider. After these steps, what you can do is that you can publicity. Now this the major part comes. What you can do, digital marketing or offline marketing, whatever you are thinking to do it. What I tell you is that do digital marketing. It will help you to reach more customers. You can share it on WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter, wherever you are liking to share, you can share there, and you'll get some customers from there. After that, you can advertise your business in YouTube, Google, whatever it may be, wherever you can do. This is the very important thing. You need to market. Marketing is very important, so public can know your brand and your company. Then only they will purchase your products and all those things. Okay, I think you have understood these steps. Just follow these steps. There are plenty much of videos available on internet, YouTube, Google, wherever it may be. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the description below, or you can just search those doubts in YouTube, Google. You'll get them all. Okay, एक ही चीज़ कहना चाहता हूँ, मन करे तो करना चाहिए, मन की बात सुनो. ठीक है, बाय बाय फ्रेंड्स, मीट यू नेक्स्ट वीडियो.